how's it going? It's Party Artie here, and today we'll be talking about Samsung's new Galaxy Book. So let's start with my initial thoughts of this. Immediately, right after taking it out of the box, I was extremely surprised to see that it is super thin, like a tablet, of course. The camera on here is very impressive, and most of all, the keyboard and this S Pen here is going to come with, and that's a huge plus for those who have purchased maybe a Surface and who have had to also separately purchase a stylus for it and a keyboard. So this is going to be all in one right away, so that's something that I'm pretty excited about. Now, this does have the latest version of Windows 10, which is exciting, especially because you can utilize the mouse as here seen, or if you want, you can touch it as well and navigate through it as seen as well. It does have the latest Intel Core i5 processor. Now, it has a pretty exceptional battery. Down here on the corner, if you want, you can always go down there. See, it shows that mine's at 20%. I can always adjust the LCD display, and I can also deal with turning on the power saver mode should that be something that I want to go ahead and do. Now, in addition to all that, it does come with a fast charger cord as well as a port so that you can plug in, and it does do very nicely. When you do turn on your NFC on your phone, it is pretty easy for it to go ahead and pair up with your phone, even if you don't have Wi-Fi. You would just place your phone on there. Let's see if I have to do this real quick. There it goes. And now it is pairing up, and it should be good to go. I believe it is. And as you can see here, all of my notifications now are popping up right there. So that's pretty neat. Now, if those of you who want to utilize this perhaps maybe more so as a tablet, it would just be as a quick snap. You would take it off. It'll recognize that it's been taken off. It'll go into portrait mode and ask you if you want to switch to tablet mode. Once you say yes, you can go ahead and click yes. And now it's going to be a little bit more of a user-friendly experience simply because now it is used as a tablet. Now, if you want to go ahead and take out your S Pen, you can do so here with this little attachment. You can go ahead and we'll click this bottom part just so that you all can see. Let's see, here it's the battery, and we have here Sketch. So we'll go on Sketch, and I've been messing with it just to get used to it. Now what's cool is that you can usually nice and light, or if you put pressure, you want to go, you can dictate all of that, which I think is pretty fascinating just because of the fact that it can distinguish the two different types. Now when we place it back here, this would probably lead to one of my first not so great experiences. As you see here, the way to connect it would be turning it and clipping it like so. So this is going to be as high up as it's able to go as far as being able to stand up. Now it does have another level. You can turn it back here, as so. And then you can also bring it down shortly a little bit more if you wanted to. Don't think you would though. All right, yes, exit tablet mode, please. Another neat feature is just, again, the display is just unreal. Let's see here if you can even tell if I turn it up to 100%. When we go to the display, I mean, you are just going to be beyond belief at what it's able to do. We'll go ahead and look at my YouTube page here, even though I know that my videos aren't that popular. But if I wanted to go ahead and see something, I could turn it on right there. And there I am. How's it going? It's Party Artie here. Today I'm good. Hello, Party Artie. What's up? All right. So, overall, my expectations were blown away. Again, just the fact that it's bundled. One thing I will say, though, about this keyboard is that I do want to challenge being able to use this everywhere I go. And so for the most of the time, I will take it with me to a coffee shop or maybe use it outside on a patio. And what I have found is that when I'm putting my hands here to type, you can see that it's starting to already gather these little oil spots, I guess, from my big old hands. So that does lie a little bit of a concern that over time I'm sure it's not going to be the best looking. But besides that, it's really neat. I wish that I had an opportunity to show you all how I can receive and take text messages and reply to them from here. But nonetheless, it's very simple. Transferring files is very simple too. This is just giving you a good idea of what you can expect once you've purchased this. And again, you will be extremely satisfied with what this has all in all to offer. The fact that, again, you have this 12-inch display that is just surreal. You have this camera. Let me go ahead and take a look at the camera real quick just so you all can see that before I finish up here. We'll go ahead and turn on the camera. All right, so this is the front-facing camera right here. And then when we turn the camera around, that is going to be what the backside camera looks like. And it is just top-notch. The settings can allow you to go from a 16:9 aspect ratio. The video recordings can go ahead and look over. It's just a stellar device that can just offer so much. I really think you're going to be blown away with all the specs in general that are catered to how you choose to utilize it. Now, this is the device that I've chose to start utilizing when I edit my videos, and it has not slowed down. I do use an external hard drive, and for those who may not know, it does have two Type USB-C ports on the side, as well as an auxiliary port for headphones, I would imagine. And that's it. That is just my quick review on the Samsung Galaxy Book. I hope that this did answer a few questions for you. And if you have any questions also that I did not clarify, please leave them in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for checking us out.